We live in an exciting time. We are experiencing a digital revolution which gives us as a company and you as a customer new opportunities that have never before been possible. Siemens would like to take you on a journey into the future of gas turbine operation. Digital insights, real results. Many different factors affect the performance of your gas turbine over its lifetime. Climate and location play an important part in maintenance considerations. A hot, humid environment can affect the lifing of turbine components in a certain way, whilst a dry environment influences component properties in other ways. Fuel type and properties and how the gas turbine is operated also affect maintenance requirements. Start-stop cycles, load and also load variations will have different impact and result in individual maintenance needs for each single gas turbine. Traditional maintenance models are designed to cover a certain range of operating conditions and damage factors. But by fully utilizing big data management, we can gain new insight into what is happening within the assets that we previously could not see and unlock potentials like never before, regardless of whether you have a standalone simple cycle or a highly efficient gas and steam turbine combined cycle. By leveraging these millions of data sets of turbine operation and combining them with parts performance analysis and advanced component lifing models, Siemens is able to personalize your turbine maintenance like never before. Using our expert OEM knowledge and data from thousands of remote connections, we can extend the time between inspections to suit your schedule or tailor the scope of your inspection to replace only the parts that need replacing, all made to help you maximize your operation. By using state-of-the-art forecasting, we can help you further tailor the maintenance plan of the turbine as your business evolves. When joining us in a long-term program, we can together make sure that operation and maintenance of your plant is always optimized, no matter what conditions prevail. Our Flex LTP maintenance offering could give you a $2 million increased revenue due to increased production, up to 16% reduction in maintenance costs through tailoring your maintenance scope, increased availability up to 7% and up to plus 50% longer between outage. Come with us into the future of turbine maintenance, where Siemens ingenuity can give your turbine a more flexible life. Your needs, our knowledge, better value.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.